So I just set up a demo to do a walkthrough about how Grupa works. What Grupa does is connect startups with cross-functional product team and provide a system to manage and help them build truly great product faster. So let's say I want to build a mobile application, right? And I want to build it from scratch. If you have an existing product or MVP or prototype, you can select this. But me, I want to build this from scratch. Let's say I'm building it. And the good thing about Grupa is it allows you to select different, it has teams for different industries. You can select team based on the industry you want. Grupa collects data to match you the best fit team. Let's say I'm building a finance application. Right. So how it works is you provide brief detail about your product, select the work mode you prefer, and Grupa recommends the best fit team. Simple as booking an Uber ride. So let's get started. So let's say I want to build a payment okay, a payment application. So name of the company, business Jose, brief detail about how OnePay works. OnePay provides single payment. Yeah, correct. And select the programming language or stack you want this built on. If you have no preference, Grupa system recommend the best stack required. Right? Otherwise, you can just select it here. Do I have computers? Right. 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 So how soon do I want to commit? Say, okay, I want to do this right now. Grupa has this mutual NDA that helps streamline the back and forth process and avoid back and forth between teams and clients. Right. So then select this button to say you've read and agree. The next step is to select the preferred work mode, right? If you have, this is very beautiful because people have different preferences for how the team should work. If you want them distributed, you select this. Or if you have a centralized hub you want them to work out from, or if you want them to come on site, right? Let's say I want to work with a distributed team. So yeah, this Grupa recommended this team, right? Based in the US, New York. You can see the good thing about Grupa is you can select team in other region if you want, right? I'm going ahead with this team. You can look at the details about the team, product manager, full stack, backend, QA. You have front end engineers here as well. You can look at the portfolio of the team, right? View the product if you want. You guys have done payment related. So Grupa uses the data that of the first page, first step where you fill the detail about your product to help recommend this team. So you can book them for design sprint. So what's a design sprint? Design sprint is a 1 week long design innovation, product innovation session that helps startup refine the idea. More importantly, scoping and documentation to help build truly great product. And procedure to payment. Here, you just put your Stripe details and then get started. The next step is to show you live project that on Grupa right now. The beautiful thing is we build the Grupa product on the Grupa system and the Grupa platform. So let's see how Grupa works in action after you have paid for the product, design sprint, and started the engineering process. So there's a workspace that captures details, the progress of the iteration, the sprint, and then the velocity, all real-time information about how the execution is happening. So let me show you the product roadmap. Product roadmap articulates what needs to be done at every point in time. This helps startups streamline focus and help them coordinate execution, right? Right now we're in iteration 1. The sprints for iteration 1 have been done. We have moved to the next iteration. So this is locked for execution. These are other iterations that are yet to be done. Iteration 2 is active now, and here is we have done 3 sprints in this iteration. We're on this particular sprint that the team is trying to get done by this week, right? You can see here it's overdue, right? This is the team tab. The team tab shows the details about the team, the members, portfolio, right? And then the work you've done, you can view it again. But let me show you the payment tab. The payment tab captures details about snapshot about the current iteration, right? What has been paid, amount that's been paid, outstanding, and then cards, subscription. You can manage subscription here. As I mentioned earlier, Grupa is iteration based. So here we've subscribed to 3 iterations, right? And then you can choose how many iterations you want to subscribe for, right? And then what the Grupa does with this data is it helps us customize the experience and lock down the team for the period of your subscription. So right now I can choose to subscribe for 4 iterations, right? And then it saves the subscription. So I can show you very important tab we call the collaborators tab. So here is for co-founders, investors, partners, your own product manager or your own in-house team to be able to integrate into Grupa and work with the team. Grupa uses this tab to be able to have one single point of contact and focus to be able to update all the collaborators in real time, what's going on. They can track by themselves, they can log in, and also then the Grupa software manages the collaboration, right? You get team, you manage them, and then it drives execution. One last thing I want to show is documentation. Grupa captures documentation in real time. This is a one-stop shop that manages end-to-end the product development process from sourcing to managing to execution and then even documentation. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.